Hi guys, you are welcome to yet another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your comb to twist an extremely short 4C hair. Alright, so all that you need is your Eco Styler gel and a comb, a tail comb, a small tail comb. So just as I'm doing, just apply a little amount of Eco Styler gel into the hair, and then you use your comb to take a smaller portion of the hair and then you wrap it around the comb, and voila, that is your comb twist or your comb coils, or you can call it finger coils as well. So if you have very short hair and you don't know what to do with your hair, this style is excellent for you. It is so beautiful, so nice, very simple. You can keep it on your hair for about a week or two. So you can just go ahead and then have this hairstyle. So I just sprinkled a little amount of water into the hair because it was dry. I don't use a lot of Eco Styler gel. I use just a little because I don't want the hair to be very slippery. I just want it to be normal so that my comb can just go through the hair easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And you can like my videos, leave your comments, and we are good to go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to all my viewers. Thank you so much for those who have already subscribed to my channel. I say God bless you a lot. You keep me going each and every day. Thank you so much. So just as I'm doing it, that is how it is done. You just take a smaller portion of the hair and then you wrap it around the comb, just like that. It's so beautiful. You can try this on your short hair and it is amazing. So enjoy. Thank you.